Have you ever wondered how K-pop idols always have the most perfect skins throughout their body on stage? The skin tone is so even with zero hyperpigmentations, even in areas like the underarm and the joints. It's because they take body care even more serious than their face. A lot of K-pop idols have revealed that they apply tone-up creams for the stage, and some makeup artists even apply blushes to their elbows and knees to make them pinkier on camera. They also never forget to skincare their body. Body skincare makes such a big difference. I started 2 years ago and this is me now. I'm on the second bottle of the serum that I used on my body, and look at the difference it has made. You want to pick a high potency brightening serum. This the big one is glutathione injection in a bottle. It contains glutathione some capsules, vitamin C and niacinamide, packed in exosome technology to penetrate deeper into the skin. It makes your skin look brighter in 3 days, and using it over time helps to fade old scars and hyperpigmentations. I always like to do a concentrated treatment by layering the toner pad from the same line. This toner pad is packed with glutathione essence and it creates great synergy with the serum. You can see the skin becoming brighter when taking the toner pad off. Using these two has helped my hyperpigmentation so much.